Hey, it's Jimmy Lee Law, the Sock Snob, and we are making an OG classic, baked pork chop. So let's get into it. As I tie this apron, I recall that the last person to wear it was a friend of mine, an LGBTQ influencer named Marco, who tragically and senselessly was lost to gun violence a few years ago. And unfortunately, his killer was never caught. So this video then, I guess, is dedicated to you, Marco. Love you, miss you. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it. Going in this, we have a little bit of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, black pepper, celery seed, onion powder, garlic powder, celery soup, cream of celery soup, along with herbes de Provence and parsley. If you don't have herbes de Provence, of course, you can use Italian seasoning as well. It's just a slightly different taste. We're going to season generously. I know there's always the big debate about, do you wash your meat? Well, I wash my meat, and that's just that. So these are a little bit wet, you'll notice. A bit of celery seed to go on here as well. And we're gonna season both sides of this, of course. Adding some onion powder. Along with some garlic powder. I'm gonna save this for last. And then the herbes de Provence, I really don't need a ton of it on this side, so just a little sprinkle, maybe a little bit more on this side. And now what we'll do is flip these over, and I'm going to repeat some of the same seasonings on the other side. Use coarse ground black pepper, a little bit of celery seed with onion powder, granulated garlic or garlic powder, cream of celery all over. Chicken bouillon, this is Knorr crushed chicken or powdered chicken bouillon. On top of all of that, we will go ahead and add our herbes de Provence. And I just have some dried parsley flakes here that we are going to sprinkle right on top as well. Now, for cooking, I'm just doing this in a foil pan because it's going to make it easier for cleanup, because once it's done, I can just transfer this over into a serving dish. I am going to add just a little bit of water, maybe a little less than half of a cup. It's not going to require very much, so I'm just going to pour that over the side, and then I'm going to top it with some aluminum foil so that it can bake and steam while it's baking and get extremely tender. I have the aluminum foil sheets that I just wrinkled up while I was bringing them over. Remember, the shiny side goes on top of the meat if it's something that you want to brown. So there we go. So it is tight. There's a little room for steam to vent in there as well. So we're gonna throw this in an oven at 350 degrees, and it's gonna bake for about an hour and a half to an hour and 45 minutes. At that point, it will be super tender. Okay, so it's just gonna kind of slow cook for all of that time. So let's get it in the oven and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. So that's what we have. Oh, it smells so good. So we're gonna get this back in the oven uncovered and cook it for, about a good 20 to 25 minutes. And this is what we get. So the pork chops have browned. The gravy has thickened up in here. These are very tender. Now you can serve this up with whatever you want. I chose to do a little bit of mac and cheese, Puerto Rican rice, and fried cabbage. They go pretty well together. And you can check out my other videos for some of those recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.